Hey everyone, Kawaii Brit here. Thanksgiving is coming soon, so I thought I'd make something Thanksgiving themed. It's been quite some time since I made a Perler Bead Mobile, so I hope you enjoy. The first thing I did was search up different fall and Thanksgiving themed perler patterns. None of these patterns are my own, I found them on the internet. I'll leave you the pattern links in the description. The only thing I did differently from the patterns was to use different colors. If you make them yourself, make sure to post and tag me on Instagram. Once all the pieces were ironed and cooled, I began using some fishing line to attach them together. I tied a large jump ring at the top to use for hanging the decoration without adding too much stress to the fishing line. If you choose to make this, using chain and wire would also work. I just thought it would look neat with some clear fishing line in the middle. In the wind, the pieces almost look like they're floating if you use fishing line. If you do choose to use fishing line, make sure you use double knots and to add a little bit of super glue to keep the knots from coming loose. And here's what the finished product looks like. And yes, that is a butter churner. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fall craft today. Let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving food is in the comment section below. If you're new here and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and check out all my other social medias in the description below. I also stream crafts over on my Twitch channel every Saturday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link is in the bio for you. Thanks again for watching. See ya!